I thought Luke's workshop was amazing. I know a lot of accountants, but they don't look or sound anything like Luke. He's super special, walks the talk, knows what he's talking about, and can communicate it in a succinct, easy to understand way.
Amazing. What takeaways have you got from his workshop?
Well, I'm hoping Luke's going to help me sell a couple of businesses that I coach for, and he reinforced things about measuring, getting the right numbers into the business if you're looking to exit, so that's a definite takeaway for me.
Luke's workshop was really insightful. I gave a lot of information on things to kind of consider when you're building a business in the early days around selling your business eventually in the future. So it was really insightful just to get some good insights into some of the things to take into consideration prior to being at that stage where you're looking to sell.
Yeah, great workshop today. Really got the point across very well. Run it like you're going to sell it. If you run it like you're going to sell it, you'll always be doing the right things.